So no trades yesterday. Price in that time from yesterday formed another POI. Yesterday we just had this POI, and then yesterday we had this low formed to this POI. So these are the two areas that I'm going to be looking to trade from. We also have price coming into this POI now, so hopefully get an entry this morning or this afternoon. We do have Euro high impact news today, but it's not any events that I stay out of. So if I get an entry this morning, it's not until 1:45, 2 p.m. UK time. So I'm happy to take anything before that. If we are coming into this area half an hour before it, I'm not going to be getting into it. I'll wait until after to get into it. So yeah, pretty straightforward now. Overall structure, daily structure is bullish. We've come into our reversal POI. Missed an entry here because it happened in Asia's session. Didn't get the re-entry anywhere. And now we've got phase C continuations confirmed. So the daily and the 30-minute are now aligned. So this is a high probability trade now. So yeah, happy to get into this trade at this POI and this POI if this fails. So yeah, pretty straightforward daily analysis today. Another rule that I do have is the liquidity needs to be taken on the entry. So what that means is that's the liquidity, that's the low. And when price drops past this area, I can't have an entry before it hits this POI. So what that means is let's just, for example, say the low was here. The low of the wick was there. So now it's swept. If price breaks this candle, if it breaks this top wick before it gets to here, then that means I'm not going to be trading there because the liquidity has already been used. It's just something that I, through my back testing, noticed that when the entry happens before it hits the POI, it usually fails. So what I want to happen is I want price to sweep this, and I don't want a previous candle high to get broken before it hits here. It needs to come in, and then the entry immediately happens. That's what happens with the best trades. It's all like it's a perfect A+ trade, especially with the phase we're in as well. So yeah, that's everything for Germany 40 this morning.